right, so I want to show you how to use this multi-dose vial access spike. This is more convenient than poking your vial all the time, like 18 gauge, 18 gauge, 18 gauge. So, right, you'll get your vial in, you'll pop your top off, this, pull out your multi-dose, and what you'll do is, right, you'll have a spike there, you're just gonna poke it through. Okay, let me actually grab a needle real quick. And so what this will do is make it easier to draw up. And so you don't have to constantly be like poking it, right? So you'll just have to put some pressure in and then you can draw up that way. Hopefully that makes sense. It's quite a bit easier than using the 18 gauges all the time. So, and remember, you do want to alcohol the tops of this every time you're using it. First time is fine because it's sterile, popping the top off and opening up out of the bag. So hopefully that's helpful. Got any questions, let me know.